Hello everybody, welcome to another video of Andrew Nicole. Today we're going to unbox this one, the Xiaomi Mi Curve gaming monitor, a 34 inches gaming monitor that I've been wanting to buy since last year when it released. So this one is actually very affordable. It's around 20,000 pesos or around $350, but you can catch it on sale usually on Lazada or Shopee. So it will go down to around 18,000, and according to the reviews, it's a very good monitor. So we're gonna unbox this one and we're going to see what's inside, and I'll show you, at least in close-up, what's in the box and what are the specs. I'll put it down in the description below. All right, so let's get into it and open this very big box of a monitor. So this is wrap. It has a dual layer of bubble wraps. It's good. Ensures that your packaging for the monitor inside will not be damaged. Okay, so I have here to tear open these bubble wraps. So we're removing the whole bubble wrap for the wraps. So wrap and tight. See how tall this box is. This panel is 144 Hz, good for playing games that needs high frame rates. It will need a very good graphics card for you to be able to maximize this one. I haven't bought a new graphics card, but for future proofing, of course, and trying to buy a new one soon. My wife is listening, and I hope she allows me to buy a new computer. Okay, so this is the box. So it's a 34-inch curved screen, resolution of 3440 by 1440. Okay, let's turn it around for the English one. Okay, so the Mi 144 Hz curved gaming monitor. Okay, it's a 1500R curvature. Okay, and that's a 144 Hz high refresh rate panel. This is a VA panel, if I'm not mistaken. Okay. So I just got this from the recent Shopee sale. So thank you, Shopee. Hopefully there are no pixels. I don't need to return these monitors. Okay, very, very big monitor. So let's try to, okay, so we need to open the box. So, nothing much box. Okay, so before we open the panel, let's take a look at what's the accessories inside. So you have the instruction manual. So the instruction manual, you can read, it's in Chinese and English. So a good thing, Xiaomi is learning to put English on all of its instructions. Okay, that's that. You have a this is a display port. Okay, display port. I'll make a close-up picture later on, so you'll see display port. Okay, so this is a different cable from HDMI. So display ports are usually used for higher refresh rate monitors. Okay, and we have the power adapter. There's no power adapter here, it's just the power cable. So it's an ordinary power cable for your computers, so similar to your see, okay. And you have some stand-ins for your monitor, okay, there, okay, and some screws, okay, screws, okay. So, and you have this special screw, and let me open this up. I think we'll be needing this one. So you have a thumb screw. Okay, very nice. Okay, very nice, thumb screw. Okay, so it's used to bolt, and you can use your finger. Use your finger to bolt the screw. Okay. And what else do we have here? Yeah, I think that's all for the accessories. And you have this one. This is the stand. Okay, so very sturdy stand, made out of stainless steel, I think. So this is the where you put your monitor, and this is the vertical support. Okay, so just the vertical stand screams big monitor. Okay, so this one has a magnetic removable backing so that you can route your cables here and make your desk more clutter free. All right, so let's try to assemble it and see. Oh, it's magnetic. It's magnetic, huh? It's magnetic. All right, so let's remove all of these. Okay, so let us first bolt this thing together using the screw. Okay, so let's see. This should be here. And using the screw, the thumb screw, you can assemble it like this. Okay, so you have your stand here. See? Okay, so now we try to install this stand to the monitor in itself. Okay, so if you're gonna come closer, you'll be able to see that we have a flap here. Let me just open this one up so that you can see. Okay, so it's a magnetic opening cover. So at the back of the monitor, you have different ports. Maybe you can see it from there. So here, so you have HDMI, two HDMI ports here. Okay, two display ports, one audio jack, and of course the power adapter. Okay, so let me just flip this monitor. Okay, so it's plastic, but feels good, looks durable, I hope. And this should just snap to the monitor. Okay, let's see if it works. There you go. So nicely snug. Okay, so we're ready to get it out of the styrofoam. To lift it and show it to you for the very first time. The monitor. Wow, it's big and it's a little dusty, but it's fine. Okay, so I'll bring back the flap at the back. Okay, magnetic flap. So it's the monitor, as you can see, it's a curved monitor. Okay, there's some dust here. Okay, so some dust, it's all right. So as you can see, the monitor is curved. I'll put it sideways so you better appreciate, see? So it's curved. And at the back is the OSD, or they call it the on-screen display button for the buttons for the on-screen display. So we have the power, and I think these are some of the buttons that you will be able to press when you have the on-screen buttons on the. This is the power button. Okay, so let's try to turn it on, and let's see what will it look like. I'll show you the back. It's quite heavy, huh? So this is the back. So you have the magnetic cover. So yeah, basically it's just easy to install and hook up. So this is the vertical one. So you can route your cables here. So from inside here, whatever cables you have here, you can route it here so that you can close, or you can route it here. So make your desk nice and tight. Okay, so it's magnetic, and cover it like this one. Very neat, very neat. So you can left and right, and up, tilt up and down. Okay, and even adjust the height. Okay, so let's power it up. So there you have it, guys, the Xiaomi Mi Curve gaming monitor, the 34-inch widescreen ultra-wide 21:9 aspect ratio. And I could say, in my initial impression, it's a very nice monitor. It really is a monitor wherein you can get a immersive experience because it's because of a bigger screen. So once again, this is a 20,000 pesos or around $350 monitor. This is made by Xiaomi, and I would say I would be using this one as my main monitor, and my old monitor can be a second extended screen for my production needs and my work needs. But this one, I'm so excited to try this one in the different games. Okay, currently I've hooked it up in my laptop, so the laptop is able to power the Windows screen. But again, if you want to maximize this monitor, you have to get a beefy graphics card, maybe a 1060 at least, to the new one 3080, so that you get the 4K resolution of this monitor. Now, if you're interested to buy this one, I'll put all the links down below in the description. You can check those links and use it if you want to support my channel, and I'll put all the descriptions and the technical specifications down below as well. So thank you very much for watching this simple unboxing. I hope you're able to see this monitor up close and personal. I'll be putting a more in-depth review as I use this monitor for the next few months, and please give us a thumbs up in the video if you're interested. More likes means you want to know more about this monitor. Again, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed, and please like and subscribe, and see you on the next video. Bye-bye.